Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9i and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and I hope that you can see this special type of grid line called golden line. I've applied it before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you the actual visual evidence that the reset option will work. So if we are on the camera, we've got two different ways to enter the settings. We can unroll the top bar, let's say the bar with the options, or simply tap on the two dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's enter general settings here and scroll down to the very bottom. As you can see, we've got the option restore camera settings, so let's tap on it again to confirm. Actually, nothing happened, right? But no worries, after getting back to the camera, you can see that this special grid line disappeared, which means that for sure we successfully reset all camera settings. So actually, this is it. This is how to reset camera preferences in your Realme 9i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.